Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to talk about numerical and Laplace transform and particularly based on the RL series circuit. Okay, so in the last lecture I had taken the theory related with the RL series circuit, rise in current and decay in current. Now in this lecture I am going to talk about the numerical, and you will observe numerical based on this by using the Laplace transform is very simple. Okay, so this is the example number 1. A switch K is moved from 1 to 2 at t equal to 0. The steady state current having previously established in RL circuit. Find the current for all t greater than 0. So before t equal to 0, switch was in position 1. Switch was in position 1. And switch was in position 1 for a long time. So that current was flowing in this way. As a flow of the current, like that. Right? And inductor has stored the current IL0 minus. IL0 minus. And we know in case of inductor, IL0 minus and IL0 plus is same. Why? Because inductor opposes the change of current. Kitna 10 upon R is 10 equal to 1 ampere, that is the current stored by inductor. Now at t equal to 0, switch to position number 2. Okay, so at t equal to 0 move the switch to 2. जैसे ही आप 2 पे आएंगे, circuit will be like that. That is 10, this is 10 and this is 4 Henry. Clear? So it will supply the current in this direction. It will supply the current. Current क्यों flow हो रहा? Because of what? Because of stored value. I am not interested. मेरे को तो ये मालूम है in this second position में ऐसा आने के बाद you have to write the KVL. KVL लिखेंगे क्या आएगा? L di by dt 4 di by dt. L is 4 di by dt plus R कितना है 10 plus 10 20. I equal to no source 0. Take the Laplace transform. If you take the Laplace transform क्या आएगा? 4 common S I of S minus I of 0 equal to 20 plus 20 I of S equal 20 I of S equal to 0. Clear? And now what is this is what it shows the initial value of current. And what is the initial value of current? 1 ampere. So यहाँ मैं लिखता हूँ 4 S I of S minus this is 1 plus 20 I of S equal to 0. So if you solve it, you will get 4 S I of S minus 4 into 1 4 plus 20 I of S equal to 0. So if you do it, I of S कॉमन लेंगे तो क्या आएगा? I of S कॉमन लिया तो 4S plus 20 I of S कॉमन लिया तो 4S plus 20 और ये minus 4 उधर जाएगा तो equal to 4. So what is the value of I of S? Upon ये 4 कॉमन लिया इधर, ये 4 तो क्या plus 5 4S plus 20, right? Now this 4 will be cancelled. You can say this is only one S. So if you take the Laplace inverse, you will get I of t. You will get the time domain solution. I of t equal to क्या आएगा? 1 upon S plus 5 का Laplace inverse क्या होगा? E raised to minus 5t. That is the answer you will get. Okay, so you will observe these problems by using the Laplace transform technique is really very simple. Okay, so this is the answer. We got it. Now I am going to solve one more problem by using Laplace transform technique. So first of all, I'm rubbing it. Okay. Example number 2. Okay. Find the current. Find the current through the inductor. The switch is opened at t equal to 0. पहले switch क्या था? Closed था. Okay. So before t equal to 0, that switch was ओपन करने वाले t equal to 0. So अगर क्लोज था, hence क्या हुआ होगा? जो 10 ओम था, 10 ओम रेजिस्टेंस, ये वाला 10 ओम, दिस पार्ट, दिस वाला, this was short circuited. 10 ohm was, hence 10 ohm resistance was short circuited. Okay, 10 ohm resistance was short circuited. So current was flowing, current short था but current was flowing in this way. So what was the current stored by inductor IL0 minus? I am assuming this switch was closed for a long time, and just before and just after current would be same. क्यों? Before, because in case of inductor it opposes the change of current. कितना आएगा? V by R. V कितना है? 10. R कितना था? अगर ये शॉर्ट है तो R ये 10 ओम है ना, so equal to 1 ampere. That is the stored value of at t equal to 0. Open the switch. Open the, अगर ओपन करेंगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? अगर ओपन करेंगे तो KVL, can we write the KVL? Yes, open it and write the KVL. So if you write the KVL, क्या आएगा? L di by dt. L कितना है? 1. L di by dt, so di by dt plus R. R कितना है? 10 plus 10. अगर ये ओपन हो गया है this switch, so 10 will come in picture. Okay, so 10 plus 10, 20. 20, yes, 10, 20 I equal to 10. 10 into 1 लिख सकते हैं क्या इसको? Equal to voltage source. So del di by dt plus Ri equal to 10. Okay. Okay. So take the Laplace transform. Take the Laplace transform of it. So you will get S I of S minus I of 0 plus 20 I of S, 20 I of S equal to 10, and 1 का Laplace transform क्या होता है? 1 by S. So you will get, यहाँ पर ये initial value कितनी है? Initial value of current, this shows the initial value of current 1. So we will put the 1. So S I of S minus 1 plus 20 I of S equal to 10 by S. Okay. So what is the value of I of S? If you take common, you will get S plus this 20. If you take I of S common, so S plus this 20, और ये माइनस उधर जाएगा तो इक्वल टू, यहाँ आएगा तो इट इज प्लस 1. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ I of S? I of S इक्वल टू क्या आएगा? 10 प्लस S, 10 प्लस S अपॉन S, और ये S प्लस 20 यहाँ आएगा, S प्लस 20. आर यू गेटिंग इट? दिस इज, यहाँ पर क्या आएगा? हियर 10 एलसीएम लेंगे, सो 10 प्लस S अपॉन S, राइट, और ये S प्लस 20 यहाँ आया. सो यू कैन से यहाँ पर डिनोमिनेटर में, यू कैन से डिनोमिनेटर 2S are there, right? So we have to solve by using the partial fraction method. So I am writing I of S equal to what? Equal to what? 10 S plus 10, this S plus 10 upon S, or S plus 20, right? Equal to, we have two roots, both are different, so we can write A upon S plus B upon S plus 20. Both roots are different and real. So how will you find the value of A? We can find the value of A How will you find the value of a? Do not multiply both sides by s and put s equal to 0. A equal to कैसे निकालेंगे? S plus 10 this upon s plus 20 this multiply by s. Okay, and put s equal to 0. So s की वैल्यू 0 रखेंगे तो 10 upon 20 is 0.5 upon s plus 20 this value multiply by what? b का डिनोमिनेटर क्या है? s plus 20. So this s plus 20 will be cancelled and put s equal to what? Minus 20. So minus 20 plus 10, minus 10 upon minus 10, right ना? This is s की वैल्यू कितनी? minus 20. So minus 20 plus 10, minus 10 upon यहाँ क्या है? s की वैल्यू कितनी है? minus 20. So minus 20. So you will get again 0.5. Okay, so I'm getting a equal to 0.5, b equal to 0.5. So you can say I of s equal to what? A कितना है? 0.5 upon s. b कितना है? plus b कितना है? b 0.5 upon s plus 20. So take the Laplace inverse I of t. I of t Laplace inverse लेंगे. If you take Laplace inverse, you will get time domain solution I of t equal to 0.5. 1 upon s का Laplace inverse क्या होता है? 1, that is 0.5 plus this 0.5. Laplace inverse of this is what? E raised to minus 20t. Okay, so we will get 0.5 plus 0.5 e raised to minus 20t. That is the solution. So please, you will observe these problems are really very simple. Just you just transform, put the initial condition, and find the current, find the solution for current or voltage. Use the partial fraction method if it is required, and take the Laplace inverse. This is the technique we will use to solve the problem. So I am taking only two numerical based on that. Again, later on we will solve few more numerical based on that. Okay, so I am rubbing it. Okay, thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.